Let's get your Worksites into SiteReady. Now, even if a company that you previously added doesn't have a physical worksite, still create one so jobs, people, equipment, and compliance checks all link up properly. Let's hit the Download Template button. Now, with the Excel file open, you'll see two columns, Worksite Name and Company. Both are mandatory. Company is a protected drop-down using the companies that you set up in the previous onboarding section. For firms without a site, create a simple placeholder like company name general or company name office. Save your file once you're finished and head on back to the SiteReady onboarding screen. We're going to click Next and drag and drop. The system will do its compliance checks. Any issues will be flagged below, along with the corresponding line on the Excel spreadsheet for you to head back and update and fix. Then you would simply head back here and upload, and then we'll click Next. Do a quick review of your data and then click Next. Let's hit that Start Import button, and everything is looking fabulous. You can check out the data you've just imported in the Worksites page.